In order to determine the net present value and internal rate of return for a potential project, use the financial return calculator. Filling out this template for multiple projects allows you to compare competing projects and contribute to the decision of whether or not to start a project. Open this template from the Define section of the DMAIC menu, from the Planning section of the Standard menu, or from Search. Clicking Launch will open the calculator in a new tab. You will be prompted to provide a title, then click Create. Start by entering your cost of capital. Enter the percentage without a percent sign. For example, 10 for 10% or 5 for 5%. Next, enter investments your project will require in the Investment section. Enter these investments as negative numbers as they represent cash outflow. Continue by adding the revenue improvements in the Revenue Enhancement section, categorized as hard for revenue increase or soft for loss avoidance. Enter these as positive numbers as they are cash increases or inflows. The Expense Reduction section is to show the amount of reduction in expenses achieved through the project. If the project will result in any decreases in the various hard and soft expenses, enter these as positive amounts, as these decreases in cost are a benefit to the project. If the project results in increasing costs, enter these increases as negative amounts in this section. Repeat these entries for future years of investment and expenses as necessary, as those values will be used as part of the calculation at the bottom. At the bottom of the template, you will see the results, which include the total investment in the project, the net savings, the time value of cash flows, the net present value of the cash flows, and the internal rate of return. These numbers apply to a particular project. Running similar calculations with other projects in additional financial return calculators can help prioritize those projects. This concludes our tutorial. You can find more tutorials for tools in EngineRoom by going to www.moresteam.com/help/EngineRoom.